Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and little bell located at the bottom of the screen so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today I have a really fun project to share with you, and it looks almost good enough to eat. I created this adorable sandwich treat box. This is a brand new digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK. The great thing about MYSCRAPCHICK files is that they come in a variety of formats and will work with a variety of electronic die cutting machines. However, if you don't have an electronic cutting machine, you can always use the pattern included in the file, copy it onto your favorite cardstock, and cut it out by hand. This measures 6 inches by 4 1/4, and the depth is 1 3/4 inches. In the file, you receive several matting layers, and my favorite part is the lettuce, tomato, and the cheese. Doesn't that make you want to take a bite out of it? So this is the other side. I used this embossed dot paper, which I think gives this sandwich a very realistic feel. Now the great thing about this is it's a treat box. So when I take the lid off, you have this large space inside to fill with candy, treats, embellishments, or a small gift. As you can see, this sandwich box is fairly large, and it's exactly the same size as a real sandwich. Now that I've given you an overview of my sandwich treat box, I'm going to grab my files so that we can make this together. I'll be right back. I have gathered the materials to make our sandwich box. I have uploaded these images into Cricut Design Space, and I've cut each of them out on my Cricut Maker. In your file, you will receive the lid and the bottom part of the sandwich box. The lid has a slightly narrower side than the bottom. There are 2 matting layers, as you can see here, and I have inked all of the edges. To save time, I've gone ahead and attached the matting layers on the sandwich boxes. You'll receive lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. So let's start with the assembly of the lid. This box has 3 tabs, and we are going to glue the tabs together to form a triangle, just like so. So I'm going to put glue on this tab here, fold right up to the score line, and then I'm going to burnish it with my bone folder. And then I'm going to repeat the same step on the other 2 sides. And then I'm going to attach this final piece. I'm going to repeat the process for the bottom lid. Now that we have the 2 pieces of our sandwich box assembled, you'll see that they fit together perfectly. So let's start adding on the embellishments. I'm going to set this one aside, and we're going to work on the top lid. You want to grab the first piece of lettuce, which is the longest piece, and that's going to be attached on the inside lid on the longest side of the lid. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just attach a little bit of glue at the top here, not all the way down, because we need to add in the lettuce and tomatoes. But I want to fit this in first. I'm going to put glue on this tomato piece, slide it in just like so, and I'm going to take this piece and also glue the top. And that's going to slide behind the tomato, just like so. Okay, so we have one side of our sandwich box done. And just turn it over and use your bone folder and burnish to make sure everything is securely attached. And then we're going to repeat the same steps on the other side. So I'm going to take one of the shorter pieces, I'm going to attach that in just like so. I'm only going to put a little bit on one corner. I'm going to place the tomato right here. I'm going to put a little bit more glue on the top here. Okay, and then we're going to add in our final piece, just like so. This time I'm going to put my cheese in first. And then I'm going to glue this last piece down. Now that we have our lettuce, tomato, and cheese on, we can go ahead and close the box. This just slides in just like so. And as you can see, this has ample room to store in fun goodies. This concludes my review of my sandwich treat box. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Be sure to visit MyScrapChick.com to see more of their fun digital files. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.